Control number 1181. Please tell something about yourself.
Good day, Sir, Madam. I am Francisca Fagar, 32 years old, single. I have 6 brothers, 1 sister. I'm second to the youngest brother.
What is your educational attainment?
I am finished the 4 years course of Bachelor of Science, Industrial Education in PSPC, Roa City.
Have you been to any country before as OFW?
Yes, I am working before in Japan. I make the cakes, bread, and syrup sugar, and also cleaning the area after my work.
Why you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go Hong Kong to earn money and to support my family.
What is your working experience related with domestic helper works?
The parts of my duties to take care the old patients and cleaning the house, and also my preparing food.
What is your everyday household works from morning up to night time?
Yes, I will starting my duties in the morning, 6 o'clock, preparing breakfast, cleaning the house, go to market. After all, preparing the food for lunch, and washing the clothes, ironing the dress, and then preparing also food for the dinner, and then washing the dishes.
What is your experience in taking care of old person?
I have experience take care the old persons for my employer, half paralyzed. I give food 3 times a day, give medicines and vitamins, change the pampers, and also massage.
What is your experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
I have also experienced take care the new baby, give milk and take a bath, and also sterilizing the bottle.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
My special skills are baking, cross stitch, and also my knowledge for my computer.
What dishes can you cook?
I'm cooking for the dishes, Filipino food, like kari-kari, and also for Chinese kangkong.
Describe yourself as a housemaid.
I'm honest, understanding, respectfully, good, and smiling, hardworking.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
If I have a mistake to my employer, I apologize to her. Next time, I will not do again my mistakes.
Describe your relationship with your past employer. How did they treat you?
The past employer, we are good to treat me because I will do my best to my work.
Define what is a good domestic helper for you.
As a domestic helper, I always to follow her rules and regulations.
Message for your future employer. Tell all the things you can offer to them once they hire you.
Sir, Madam, if will you choose me as a domestic helper, I promise I will do my best to my work. I'm hardworking, respectfully, and patient. I promise to finish my contract 2 years, and also, and more than more, so much. Thank you.